This is the Avaya 9608 IP phone. The 9608 is a cost-effective, functional phone for small to large enterprises. It features wideband audio, a full duplex speakerphone, and a built-in headset interface. The global version of the Avaya 9508 features images on each feature button rather than text below each button to indicate its function. These buttons include headset, mute, speaker, and more. Included with the Avaya 9608 is the phone stand, handset, and handset cord. Here at Atlas Phones, we have over 40,000 square feet of telecom inventory and offer same-day shipping on orders placed by 5 p.m. Each of our products include a 1-year warranty with extended warranty options available for up to 5 years. We've been helping people in business since 1998, and we hope this video helped you too. You can give us a call today at 888-567-5194 or visit our website www.atlasphones.com.